No matter where you live, we all daydream about a relaxing vacation. And if you can't be laying by the beach or the pool, you might as well get lost in your dreams and make a stylish cover-up. Who knows, it may actually inspire you to book a trip. So let's make it! You'll need 2 yards of fabric, your Brother PS500 sewing machine, bias tape, a chalk pen, straight pins, scissors, and a measuring tape. First, lay the fabric right sides together to make a square and determine the length. If you're making it a tunic, it will land mid-thigh, so take your measurement for the length. My square is 38 inches by 38 inches, and that includes a seam allowance. Remember, the folded edge is the neckline, so measure to find the center and mark it with a pin. Next, measure 10 inches total for the opening of the neckline from the center pin on the fold and mark each side. Cut the fold between the two marks to create an opening. Then, cut one layer of fabric down the center for the neckline, about 10 inches deep, or less, depending on how you want the front opening to be. Cut the V shape to open up the neckline, finish the neckline with bias tape, and the fabric edges with a double folded hem. To make the armholes, fold the fabric in half with right sides facing out, making sure the front and back of the neckline is in place. To determine where the side stitching will be, measure in from the sides and down from the top of the fold. I like to leave a wide opening for the armhole, about 9 or 10 inches, and enough ease on the sides for comfort, about 8 inches in. Mark the stitch lines with pins and head over to the sewing machine. To finish, add on a small hook and eye and any other embellishments you like at the V-neck. And there you have it, an easy cover-up for your next vacation. Now all you need to do is take a break. So go ahead, get out there and relax.